Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and adventure performance with the 2026 Toyota HikeCruze 6x6 motorhome. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both off-road capability and onboard comfort. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and boldly designed living area that blends rugged expedition aesthetics with refined luxury. The materials used throughout are of the highest quality, from premium leather seating to rich wood grain finishes and durable, adventure-ready surfaces. The living area includes a large flat-screen TV, a high-end sound system, and expansive panoramic windows designed for breathtaking views in the wild. The kitchen is fully equipped with the latest appliances, including a built-in coffee machine, a high-capacity refrigerator freezer, and even a wine cooler for those who enjoy the finer things on the trail. The bedroom, with a king-size bed integrated into the modular overroller cabin, offers unmatched comfort, and the ensuite bathroom features premium fixtures and an off-grid capable wet bath system, ensuring that you have all the comforts of home even when you're far off the beaten path. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 HikeCruze 6x6 motorhome is a true work of art and beast. With its aggressive six-wheel configuration and avant-garde aerodynamic bodywork, it cuts through wind and terrain effortlessly, improving both efficiency and off-road handling. The exterior is finished with a high-end metallic paint and optional matte expedition wrap, which not only looks stunning, but also provides durability against the elements. The large retractable awning and integrated roof deck system create a perfect outdoor space for shelter and relaxation at camp, while rugged custom alloy wheels, oversized all-terrain tires, and the signature HikeCruze badging add a touch of exclusivity and purpose. When it comes to performance, the 2026 HikeCruze 6x6 motorhome is powered by a cutting-edge drivetrain combining hybrid technology and aggressive capability. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling remote trails, this motorhome delivers an exceptional driving experience. The twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine or optional diesel hybrid, coupled with full-time six-wheel drive and advanced 10-speed adaptive transmission, ensures smooth, deliberate power delivery even on rough roads. The advanced suspension system, complete with adaptive ride height and locking differentials, ensures a smooth ride and confident handling in challenging terrain. Additionally, the HikeCruze features advanced drive assist and off-road assist technologies. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 HikeCruze 6x6 motorhome is undoubtedly a premium product, and its price reflects that. With a starting price of around $500,000 for the base Adventure Edition, and with fully loaded Expedition spec models reaching upward of $750,000, it's not an option for the budget-conscious, but for those seeking the pinnacle of luxury and performance in an off-grid capable motorhome, it offers exceptional value. The price tag includes all the bespoke features, the incredible performance, and the unmatched craftsmanship and engineering that come with the Toyota name and the HikeCruze design. To sum up, the 2026 HikeCruze 6x6 motorhome is an extraordinary blend of luxury, off-road performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're planning a long road trip across continents or simply want the ultimate luxury experience on wheels, the Toyota HikeCruze 6x6 motorhome delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.